Well, in case you didn't know, February is Women's Heart Health Month, and with an estimated 43 million, I should say, 43 million women in the U.S. affected by heart disease, it is time that we take some action. And here with me now is Suzanne Lawson, Corporate Market Director for the New Mexico Division of the American Heart Association. Thanks for coming in, Suzanne, as well as Kristen Browning-Mezel, your volunteer chair with the Luncheon.
Yeah.
Thank you, ladies. Such an important issue, especially in the fight against the disease. You all are getting ready to have a huge luncheon. It's called the Albuquerque Go Red for Women Luncheon. Let's talk about that.
So the event's actually on Wednesday, February 26th. We're at Hotel Albuquerque. We have a little over between 500 and 600 people who come learn more about heart disease in women, that heart disease is actually the #1 killer of women, kills more women than all forms of cancer combined.
And which I think a lot of people would be surprised, or a lot of women. I didn't know it was the #1 killer until I started educating myself a few years back. Some of us women tend to think that it's breast cancer or something like that, but it is not.
It's not. It's heart disease. Like I said, heart disease will kill more women than all forms of cancer combined, and it affects 1 in 3 women. So It is our #1 health risk.
Okay, so just really quick before we go on to the specifics about the luncheon, some risk factors. Let's remind folks at home what to look out for.
So risk factors, they're things like, watching your weight, making sure that you're not smoking, things like that. So, those general risk factors that we all kind of know about. And for more information, people can always go to heart.org for that information. I think one of the interesting things about heart disease in women is that oftentimes it presents differently than it does in men. And so some of the things that women actually need to look out for are jaw pain, sometimes back pain, nausea.
Did you say jaw pain?
Jaw pain.
Interesting.
That can actually be presentation of heart attack symptoms in women that oftentimes men don't experience.
That is interesting. Okay, quite alarming too. So let's talk about the luncheon because it's about having a little fun too.
Yes,
I understand
definitely.
that those who attend are in store for some fun. So what can you tell us, Kristen?
Well, it's a blast. The luncheon is really fun, and there's several things that make it fun. One, I think red is a color that brings life to any kind of event, and so the event is full of red, and it is a celebration of heart wellness.
Okay.
And raising awareness for women in helping them understand that heart disease will kill them if they're not aware. So it's about tapping every person in our life.
And we're taking a look at some pictures there from previous luncheons.
Yeah, so we do, one of the best things is the personalities auction that we do. We also have firefighters that will be there, that we do a BOA bar, and for a donation, a decent sized donation, you get to put a feather boa around you by the firefighter.
That in some of the pictures.
Yeah, so that's really fun. And it's, like I said, it's women helping one another become more aware of, this killer.
Let's talk a little bit about this personality
auction.
Okay, because it has to do with the lovely purses that we have here.
So we brought 2 really great bags. Women all over the community donate a purse that represents their personality.
Personality,
yeah. So, we have a couple here. This is like a picnic bag. It's a really great, beautiful bag.
And it suiting someone's personality.
Yeah. And this, Kate Spade bag is popular. We had a donation from a company in town what happens is that their women literally are fighting over trying to win these bags in the silent auction. So it's really a great event. That part of it is really fun.
Yeah, it sounds like a lot of fun, and it's such a great cause. And again, tickets still available for this luncheon.
Yes.
It's coming up, folks. You said February 26th.
February 26th.
Okay.
And I just want to say, huge thank you also to our main sponsors. Loveless Health System is our City Goes Red sponsor. Alliance Home Healthcare is our luncheon signature sponsor. So without them, we wouldn't be able to do events like this. So,
that is awesome.
And you can go to our website, which is heart.org/New Mexico. You can also go to albuquerquegored.heart.org for more information.
Okay. And we do have both of those links, I believe, on our website for more information, making it easy for you at home to get information about heart disease as well as the luncheon. Just go to krqe.com and click on the CASA tab. Thank you, ladies, for coming
Thank
in.
you.
Thank you.
All right, and wear red too.